Welcome everybody to Aditi Learning Centre's official YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the current affairs of 29th November 2023. The important current affairs of 29th November 2023 are as follows. Number 1. All the 41 workers trapped inside the collapsed Silkyara tunnel in Uttarkashi have been rescued. They had been trapped for nearly 17 days. For rescuing the workers from the Silkyara tunnel, the rat hole mining technique was used. Next is regarding the unilateral decision of the government to extend the tenure of Delhi Chief Secretary Naresh Kumar. So, the Supreme Court wants the government to justify within 24 hours from 28/11/2023 this decision. Next is regarding the Union Ministry for Women and Child Development has launched a special protocol for Anganwadi workers to help them track and help children with disabilities in the 0 to 6 years age group. The National Education Policy NEP 2020 emphasizes prioritizing the integration of students with disabilities into mainstream schools. Next, India to host an industry roundtable on developing the country as MICE tourism destination. Now, MICE in this context stands for meetings, incentives, conferences and exhibitions. This meeting will be held at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi on 30/11/2023. The Ministry of Tourism will explain the key initiatives aimed at promoting India as a premier MICE destination. India showcased its robust MICE infrastructure and cultural and natural heritage to the world during the G20 presidency, which generated unprecedented interest at national and international levels. Next, NASA Administrator Bill Nelson met Union Minister for Science and Technology Jitendra Singh on 28/11/2023 to discuss India's research interests in the International Space Station (ISS), for which the US will be training an Indian astronaut. This collaboration was announced by US President Joe Biden during PM Modi's bilateral visit in June. During this meet, India had also signed the Artemis Accords. Nelson will also visit Bengaluru facilities where NISAR spacecraft is undergoing testing and integration for launch in 2024. Next, government suspends 70 lakh mobile numbers on account of suspicious transactions. It is, suspicious transactions were found to have been done in and the account numbers linked to these 70 lakh mobile numbers, and as a result of which these mobile numbers have been suspended by the central government. Next, 20 critical and strategic mineral blocks to go on sale on 29/11/2023. This will be the first round of auctions. Thank you.